Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a mapping in a Spring Boot Java. Mapping is a rich mapping support is provided by the Mongo mapping converter. Mongo mapping converter has a rich metadata model that provide a full feature set of a functionality to map domain object to MongoDB document. The mapping metadata model is populated using annotation mapping using annotations on your domain object. However, the infrastructure is not limited to using annotations as the only source of metadata information. The Mongo mapping converter also allows you to map object to documents without providing any additional metadata by following the set of a convention. In this section, we will in this section we will describe the features of a Mongo mapping converter, how to use conventions for mapping object documentation documents, and how to override those convention which with annotations based mapping metadata. Convention based mapping Mongo mapping converter has a few document when no additional programming additional mapping metadata is provided. The convention are the sort Java class name is mapped to the collection name in the following manner. The class com dot big bang dot saving account map to saving account collection name. All nested object are stored as a nested object in the document, and not as a db refers. So the converter will use any Spring converters registered with the with it to override the default mapping of object properties to document field values. The field of any object are used to convert and from field in the document. Public Java Bean properties are not used. You can have a single non-zero argument constructor whose constructor argument name match top level fields name of a document. That constructor will be used, otherwise the argument constructor will be used. It is if there is no more than one or non-zero arguments, constructor and exception will be thrown. So mapping annotation overview. The mapping Mongo converter can use the metadata to drive the mapping of the object to documents. An overview of the annotation is provided by @id. Annotation id so applied at the field level to mark the field used to identify purpose. Second one is at document applied at the class level, indicate this class is a candidate of the mapping of the database. You can specify the name of the collection where is database will be stored. So these are the information about mapping in Java. Thank you so much.